radio. Coast Guard's not hunting you down.
Apparently you're allowed to moo. I don't know what it means.
Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time? Sure that this is the last time.
We decided to make a pit stop in Bayandria Bay. I'm just rolling my R's and maybe it'll sound right. It's supposed to be unreal here, so I'm super excited. We're gonna head to the pause later, but if we love it here, maybe we'll come back.
Go for a swim.
Go for a swim! That was so awesome. We've been in this channel for 2 days now. Does it feel like 2 days? Feels like 2 days. No, it's a long, long, long channel, and we're fighting a bit of a current, so we're going 3.5 on 5/8. Well, sorry.
One more time?
It feels like we've been in this channel for 2 days because we're fighting a 2-knot current. So we're only going like 3.5 knots, so pretty slow. But we can see the anchorage. There's a ton of boats there. It's probably all the Baja-ha-has.
Nah, they're all in Mazatlan.
Oh yeah, they crossed. Sunshine. Hola, mi amigos. We just got back from a huge grocery run.
Wow, that wasn't that big.
I don't know, it weighs the dinghy down pretty
It's just
good.
the whole grocery day is like a long day.
It is a long day. But there's a boat parade going on tonight, a Christmas boat parade. There's a gorgeous sunset. We always manage to just catch the afterglow. But check it out. It looks so pretty. And we're heading over there. We're heading over there to Belle Vie. Our friends that we met in Cabo, but then really met in Friles. But anyways, we're going there for dinner and the parade, and we have to go because it's starting really soon. Baby. Okay. You got the gear shifter? Buenas noches!
I've had that for maybe a day or two, but no longer than that.
Bella, hey, Bella.
Sure. I bought some red too. Wow, that is so crazy. Look at all the people. So what is this? This is a parade of boats that it's the first year that, was it the mayor asked them to do this? Did you hear the story?
That's what they said at their club.
The mayor of,
I think it was the cruisers or
Cruzeros.
Cruzeros.
But they were asked by the mayor, I thought, to put this on.
Yes.
So yeah, it's a huge,
And the mayor approved it,
yeah.
and he went to and he actually had a few press conferences about it and stuff, and that's what I've heard, yeah.
That's awesome.
So it's a big deal.
Yeah. So we're witnessing history. People are very excited. There's so many people on the pier. And a lot of boats. I think there's 37 boats in it, so very cool. It's a little different than our last Christmas parade, eh?
Yeah, last Christmas parade we watched, we were bundled up in winter coats.
A lot of lights of those. Oh, there we go. That'll change it. Whoa, nice. Why is there a bag out there?
What are you making?
I'm making nog! I'm making eggnog, and it's making way more than I thought, so, you know, just gotta dirty more dishes.
And this is legitimate eggnog with
Fresh eggs.
eggs in it.
I'm kind of nervous, but it should be fine. I washed everything. Keep it cold, drink it fast. Put some alcohol in it, it should be okay. I'm trying to mix it all.
Nice.
I hope it's good. It should be.
This is a recipe from
Bueller's.
Jill Bueller.
Is it Jill or
I think it
TV?
was Jill.
I don't know whose original it is. It's from a Bueller, so.
Thanks, Buellers. Hope we don't get sick. Looks a little foamy, Tiff.
That's because you whip the whites. Okay, well, I'll just put it in here.
We have to mix it with the finest.
This is the cheapest rum, and it's really bad, but I think eggnog's strong enough
I'll
that
give you a little hint here.
it's plastic.
I feel like it is missing some spices.
Yeah?
Do we have the ingredients on our tree here somewhere?
No, I was looking. Well, I wasn't looking, I thought of it, but I didn't save them. We got cinnamon. I got all the Christmas spices here, so.
This is basically just cream, isn't it?
It's milk, cream, eggs, sugar, nutmeg. I'll do cinnamon. This is heavy. Maybe I should have gone for the lighter version. I don't know if I want to drink all this right now.
Yeah, that's probably good.
It's heavy.
We gotta go caroling here.
Yeah. Ooh! Those are like, oh, it's too heavy to sing a holy night.
Oh.
That's There's too much rum in that. You know what? I would just pour this back into the main part. We'll chill it, and then later tonight we'll have it. I think
Okay.
that'd be good. This is really good. Yeah, I'm excited we have eggnog.
You can't have a holiday without eggnog. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out Belle Vie and her crew on Instagram. Links are below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see these beautiful faces every Wednesday. Have a great week, everyone.